Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this bold and colorful eye look right here using the Natasha Denona Aeris palette. Makeup companies are releasing palettes with sort of blue shades in them. Maybe it's one or two blue shades, and I was quite inspired to do this look using my holiday Natasha Denona palette, and I haven't forever played with blue eyeshadow. It's been a long time, so I thought I would do this tutorial for you guys today. So if you guys are interested to see how I got this eye look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I have zoomed you guys right in so we can get started with the tutorial. I've done my brows off camera and I've just applied some foundation on my eyes just to kind of even out my skin tone. It's not much. So this is the palette right here. I'm literally dying to use this blue shade right here. So I'm only going to make a look with this palette. It will be a little bit bold, but that's the fun of makeup, you know. So this is the only kind of matte shade in here, and it's an orange brown shade. So I'm going to take this on a detailed Colourpop brush, put that like right in the crease. And then bring it down as well, just in the outer corner. Take a fluffy brush like this and just blend the top edges out. The orange shade again with this fluffy brush from Colourpop and just lightly blend again and intensify. Do the same thing on the other side. Go in with the detail brush. Map out your crease. Next, we're going to go in with this shade right here called Red Bronze on the outer third of our eyes. See how gorgeous that is? Just apply with your fingers. We'll blend it in after. Take your blending brush again with the same orange shade and blend. So I'm going to take my Urban Decay Primer Potion in Fix. I'm going to cut the crease now. I'm only going to cut the crease like right here in the inner third of my eyes. Quickly apply the blue shade and then I'll do the other eye. So I'm going to take my flat MAC brush. Take the primer and cut the crease. With the same flat brush, just diffuse the edges. This Bobbi brown liner in brown. It's like a dark brown, and just going to layer that here. I'm going to take the same orange shade and the same kind of detail brush and run that in the lower lash line. Going to use my Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper and create a wing today. Going to add mascara next, and I'm going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous Sculpt. For the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to take this shade right here. It's like a sparkly kind of champagne shade. I'm just going to pop that right here. I'm just going to bring that in as well. I'm going to use these Ardell lashes. These are the Faux Mink lashes. So I'll put these on, finish out the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. So that completes this tutorial on this beautiful Natasha Denona Aeris palette. You know, the eye look came out so vibrant and so colorful. I mean, I haven't had blue eyeshadow on my eyes for a very long time, so it was quite fun to play. It was quite fun to create. So before you guys leave, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so that you can come back here for more good content. Have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. I'll zoom you guys in for a closer look at this makeup.